Oscars were, of course, last night, and if you dream of winning an Academy Award someday, Dallas has a wonderful conservatory where you can train. Reese McCormick is the Director of Development for the KD Conservatory College of Film and Dramatic Arts in Dallas, and they are celebrating a huge milestone.
40 years.
Good for you. KD has been around for a long time. 40 years is the milestone. The conservatory is known as an industry hub in Dallas. So what's the culture like at the school?
Well, I think the culture, I could say in one word, is about networking. Kathy Tyner, our founder and CEO, has created a place where people can train. And if you are interested in getting to know the people in the industry, you can count on your advisory board and your faculty to give you an opportunity to interface if the time is right for you.
And the kids who come out of there are really very, very successful. Why do you think that is?
Well, it has to do with the immersion program. It's a fast track for the degree program. And so you're doing it every day for 15 months to get your degree in either motion picture production or musical theater or acting performance. And there's no substitute for rehearsal and preparation. So you come out really skilled up.
Right. Well, people often ask, about like if you're on TV, how do you do that? Well, if you do it enough, you can do it.
Exactly.
I mean, it's not a magic formula. So Demi Lovato, Selena Gomez went to KD. They then got discovered appearing on Barney and Friends, actually.
Right.
What other success stories do you have that people would be interested in knowing about?
Oh, well, I was actually teaching Travis Tedford when he was picked to play Spanky in The Little Rascals. The casting people around town were sending all these kids, and I was at KD putting people on tape. That's how long ago it was, tape. And I said, well, I've got a kid in my creative kids class who'd be perfect. And he was 4. He couldn't even read.
Wow.
But again, we are vigilant, and we are mentoring, and we are watching our little children and our grown children and looking for opportunities. So wherever we go to work, you go to work. So if your ballet teacher is, for example, choreographing or directing at Garland Summer Musicals, well, guess where most of our kids end up? So you see what I'm saying?
Sure.
So it's who you know really in our industry.
Absolutely, as in a lot of other things. Okay, so you're in the business. The Oscars were last night. What did you think of the show?
Well, I thought that Jimmy really behaved himself in terms of the rhetoric that he usually does on his own show. I think he missed an opportunity, though. I think that jet ski should have gone to the cast of The Shape of Water.
Oh, that's great. That's good. He did miss that.
Yeah,
right,
but no, it was ladies' night, and it was fun, and I agreed with him that Frances should get an Emmy for her Oscar speech. And, it was no surprises. I felt like every choice was justified. I saw Alice and Janney was the first film I watched for the SAG Awards to vote for those. And the minute I saw her performance, I thought, I don't care who else is up for Best Supporting Actress, that woman's going to win.
Really?
She nailed it.
You would know. Okay, so if people want to train in acting or in filmmaking, what sets KD apart? What's different about y'all?
The immersion aspect, the fact that it goes by so quickly. Kathy Tyner created a program that was going to get you in and out without a giant student loan to pay back, because we know freelance artists don't need a giant loan at the get-go. But no, you're gonna know people when you leave. If you're an actor, you'll have a shot at equity points and professional resume credits by the time you leave. At your industry graduation showcase, the people there will probably already know you because you've already been to work at their theaters with us.
And you're nationally accredited, and you have an open house this week, right?
Yes, ma'am. We have an open house Thursday night at 6. Everybody come.
All right. Thank you for being here. Thanks for getting up early. I know you were up late last night, so really appreciate it.
Thank you, Jane.
If you are ready to start your journey to stardom, you can call KD Conservatory at 214-638-0484 or visit their website at kdstudio.com. And don't forget about their open house, which is Thursday night.
6 o'clock.
Coming up tomorrow on GMT, Academy Award winner Helen Mirren joins us live. She stars beside Donald Sutherland in a new film called The Leisure Seeker. Then spring break staycation ideas for the adventurous and fun trips for families and friends right here in North Texas. Plus, we're live with a GMT viewer checking out her favorite breakfast spot, Pete's Cafe in Farmers Branch. She tells us why the cafe is such a standout, and new ways to use your toothpaste, floss, and toothbrush. Hacks you've got to see to believe. Tomorrow on GMT.